In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use domains in Expensify. Using domains in Expensify lets you connect your company's email domain to your Expensify account so you can better manage users, permissions, and access. We'll walk through claiming and verifying your domain, then managing users and groups once everything is set up. First, let's claim and verify your domain. In Expensify, go to the Settings menu, then choose Domains. On this page, look for the option to add a new domain. When prompted, type in your company's domain name. For example, this could be yourcompany.com or whatever appears after the @ symbol in your employees' email addresses. Once you've entered it, click Submit. At this point, Expensify needs to confirm that you actually own that domain. To do this, you'll use your DNS provider, which is usually where your domain is hosted or where you manage things like MX and TNAME records. Open a new tab and log into your DNS provider's control panel. Then find the section where you manage DNS records. This is often labeled DNS Management, DNS Zone File, or something similar. Here you're going to create a new TXT record. In Expensify, you'll see a verification value that they provide specifically for your domain. Copy that value and paste it into the TXT record field in your DNS settings. Save or apply the changes. DNS updates can take some time to propagate, so don't worry if it doesn't verify immediately. Go back to Expensify and follow the prompts to confirm verification. Once the domain is verified, Expensify unlocks additional features, like inviting members under that domain and creating domain-based groups and permissions. Now let's look at managing users and groups. Back under Settings, then Domains, click into your verified domain. In the Domain Members area, you'll see that people can be added in two ways. Users can automatically become members when they sign up to Expensify using an email address from your domain, or you can invite them manually from this same screen if you want more control over who joins. Next, set up domain admins. In the Domain Admins section, you can add trusted colleagues to help manage the domain settings, members, and policies. This is useful if you have multiple people in finance or IT who share responsibility. Finally, go to the Groups tab. Here, you can create domain groups like managers and employees, each with its own permission set. Within these groups, you can enforce rules, restrict which contact methods are allowed, and control who is allowed to create or remove workspaces. By carefully configuring these groups, you ensure consistent controls across your organization while keeping management centralized and efficient.